Hi guys, just in the middle of me doing my nails, I was just playing around with a set. Amidst trying to do my nails, I'm trying to do like a beach themed kind of ocean set. So I started, but I'm not finished yet, so this is what you're going to see until I'm done. I apologize. So I ordered a few more things. Let's see. This is Soak Off Polish that I ordered. This right here, let me not break a nail. This is a base and top coat. I will leave all the links and maybe not the prices, but I definitely will leave all the links to everything that you see in the video down below. So if you're interested in any of these products, be sure to check out the description box below. It does come with a little pamphlet here that I will read in a minute. I just wanted to show you guys what these bottles look like. They are pretty big. Now, I wanted to start doing press-on sets, so I wanted to buy a good size base and top coat to start with. These are 15 milliliter bottles. This is the company brand at the top. Just want to see how thick or thin this base coat is. I would say on the thinner side, which is great. You never want a really thick base coat. This is a no wipe top coat, which is again awesome because I love no wipes. And this is a much thicker. Oh, I think I'm gonna like these products. I might have to order another set for myself, but these I'm definitely going to use for my press-on sets. If anyone saw my silicone hand video, I just wanted to say that that was not a promotional video. Oh, these are the things that I got sent in PR. Sorry, I thought these were something that I ordered from Amazon, guys. I'm not going to show you guys or do a tutorial in this video, but if you'd like to see a tutorial of me doing or assembling these, this is more of like a craft DIY thing here. I will not show it in this video again, but if you're interested in me kind of assembling these, there are so many more adorable characters that you can make. I do get a little bit of a discount on these items here, guys. So if you're interested in any of these, please make sure you check the description box below because I will leave all the information down there. I'm really excited to assemble these. They're called Pearl Embroidery, and I'm really excited to make them. Never have ever made these before, but the company contacted me and they were so sweet and allowed me to choose a couple items here. So that's what I did, and I'm going to make a separate video on them. Okay, so back to the things that I ordered. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oh, almost showed you that information. Okay. Next package here, we have some nail tips. Some fake nails. This is the company here. I ordered 2 of these boxes. They were at such a great price, and I could not get 2 boxes of them. Because, not for myself, but I want to start making some sets, as I've been saying in the last couple of videos. I want to make some press-on sets. I love this box. I do have, recently I just got a box of press-on nails that are very similar to this. These are beautiful. Too long for myself. Maybe not. Who knows? Maybe someday I'll try to rock these out, but I have to say these are great quality. If you're looking for some press-on tips that are great quality, I would definitely look into these or any of the press-ons that I have mentioned in any of my recent videos. These tips that I'm finding on Amazon, steal, and very great price and great quality. Like, look at that tip. You guys don't mind my nails not being done. I know they look a little crazy. Excuse my puppy. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. So I will leave the link to these down below. I love the box as well. It's very sleek and not so thick of a box, very thin. It's probably this, maybe the size of a book when it's opened up, a thin book. Here's my hand. Anyway, great tips. I want to start making press-on sets, and I am going to link these down below, so be sure to check them out. Okay, next package. I do have another silicone, back to the silicone hand. I do have another silicone hand that is coming in the mail, guys. The silicone hand that I recently did a video on, it did lower in price to $11.99, and now it is completely sold out. So if you did not get a chance to get your hands on the hand, I am very, very sorry, but I hope that they come back in stock. Again, that video was not a promotional video, just something that I found on Amazon that I loved and I wanted to share with you guys. And I was just watching them as they were disappearing on Amazon. I just had to get myself another one. So I got my second one for $11.99. And I just wanted to have two because, you never know how long these things last for. I do have another hand, but it is a male hand. And I haven't done a set or use my silicone hand yet. But let me take out the silicone hand just in case you did not see my video and you're wondering what in the world I am talking about. If I can get it out. This is the silicone hand that I just recently bought on Amazon. I will leave the links down below to where I got her. Although she is sold out, I will still do it because she might come back in stock at some point. So this is what she looks like. She comes with a stand. I am not a fan of the stand, but this is what she looks like. I'm really excited to use her. This is her. I really want to give her a name, but I haven't named her yet. I haven't named her yet, but this is her. I'm really excited to play around with her. So anyway, I got another one, and I got her for $11.99. My second one, and now they're sold out, which is really sad. So hopefully they come back in stock. This is a solid nail glue that everyone has been talking about. I got 3 of them, and these brushes, I will leave all of the information prices down below. Be sure to check that out. This PolyGel, the other PolyGel must be in the other package here. So let me just open this up. And it is, so we got a couple things going on here. Let me just move some things over. So here's the other PolyGel. Put these to the side. I'll show you these things in a second. So, don't know how to pronounce it, but these are 60 ml bottles, okay? 60 ml bottles. 60 ml bottles I feel like are kind of difficult to find. Most of the PolyGel kits come with like 15 ml or 8 ml or something like that. A lot of 30 ml, but you don't really find 60 ml bottles. This is PolyGel and it is clear. I could only find a few colors on Amazon. There is a white that I definitely want to get, but I got the nude and the clear for now so I can try these out on my own nails. I'm really excited to see what the nude looks like. There is a seal on them. I'm kind of curious to see what the nude looks like, so I'm just going to open this up really quickly and just give a little peek. Oh yeah, beautiful. Exactly what I had imagined it to look like. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, sorry. Lighting. Hello. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm excited for that. I will definitely do a review on these, or maybe I'll just do a nail set and have you guys watch me work. Too much lighting going on. Sorry about that. Alright, guys. And then the next thing that I got was the tempered top Venalisa that I was, in the last video, I was like, wait a minute, I thought I ordered the tempered top, and I didn't. I guess I had ordered the base coat, and I made a not huge, but I made a mistake and got the base coat instead of the top. This time, I was sure to grab the top. I'm just going to open this really quickly. On the website, it says that this tempered top is scratch resistant, high shine. That is why I got it, because I've been looking for, I have a few top coats, but I am destroying this box. I have a few top coats, but I've been looking for something really kind of higher quality that is a non-cleansing, which it does say here, no wipe, high shine. This is a 12 milliliter bottle. It's not a 15, but that's okay. It should last me a while. Beautiful, nice and thick, not too thick. So I am very, very excited to use this top coat. Next we have, or maybe I did mean to, no, I did mean to grab the base coat this time. I did have the top coat in my cart, which I will get next time, but this is a 16 milliliter bottle. It's huge compared to this 12. Love it. It is a base coat. You can cure this in the LED light or UV for 60 seconds. Look how beautiful and clear this base coat is. I kind of really like the bottle as well. This is the company. I definitely am going to go back and grab the top coat. I don't know if they have a matte coat, but I'm going to try this out definitely in video, see how I like it. Definitely going to do a video on this solid glue gel on myself. I want to try and do some press on nails with the solid glue, because I've been seeing that a lot. These are dual forms that I have been really having my eye on for a while. I wanted to invest in some better quality dual forms because I just think that your nails will come out better that way. I love these. I love the shape of these. These are beautiful. I love how it looks straight, but then when you look at it this way, it is curved. I love, these are super curved. I kind of like curved nails, kind of like this style. Is this going to be too curved? I don't know until I try it, but because it's a form, it's going to help me out so much. I want to see if the 0, I think the 0 is going to be just big enough. It's like almost not big enough for my nail bed, but I'm thinking that it'll be okay. So this is the 0. This is what the 0 looks like. Doesn't look huge. So if you have a bigger kind of thumb than mine, then these might not be good for you. But there is a 0 through 11. This is such a tiny, tiny pinky. I don't even, that's too small for me. But I love these, and there are different styles of these. And I'm definitely going to, that's still too small. I'm definitely going to go back and get, I think, a set or 2 more. Because there were some shapes that I really, there you go. There were some shapes that I really, really liked. So I'm so excited to try these with my new PolyGel. Or any PolyGel, really. I have forms, but I don't have the greatest of quality forms, you know. So these are nail forms, dual forms. People call them all sorts of different names. They are reusable, so you do not have to throw these out. This is why I love dual forms. And all you do is put the dual form, or you pick up the dual form and put your gel inside the dual form. You'll put it on your nail, cure it in the lights. This dual form will pop right off, and you'll have a nail. And all you'll have to do is maybe shape it a little bit and maybe throw a top coat, and you're literally done. Sometimes I like to build them up with gel builder just to build a little bit of strength, more strength. But that's just how I like to do my nails. Last thing I'm going to share with you are these, ooh, I almost dropped it, are these boxes. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. These are not boxes. I thought they were boxes, guys. These are like kind of like the background kind of displays for your boxes. I literally, it said contain, I don't know. Don't know why I thought it was an actual box. No, that's unfortunate. It's okay. It's alright, because I will just find boxes. Let me just show you really quickly. I found these, I think I found these at Family Dollar, Dollar Store, one of those stores. And they're just jewelry boxes. Now hold on. This is what the box looks like. If I were to cut this down a little bit, it'd still be too small. But I just want you guys to get an idea. If this box, if these were thicker, or I could find a box that is this length, then I could use these in the box. This box needs to be a little bit longer. And then I could glue on the tips. This might not even fit all 10 tips. So I might just have to work on that a little bit, guys. But I'm still going to keep these around. I do have an idea for these, so I might continue to look for something to kind of box the sets that I'm going to do, but that's okay. I have some time to work on that. That's all right. We're living and we learn. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did have a few things to share with you. I got some base coat, some top coat. I did get some more press-on solid glue. We got some dual forms, some Nude PolyGel. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are interested in any of these products, I will be sure to link it down below. I probably am not going to link these just because these were not the correct things that I'm looking for. If this is something that you're looking for, though, maybe I will link it. I was thinking about maybe finding cases for... That'll be another video because I don't want to give all of my ideas away. I want to be able to make a separate video for that. So I'll see. Maybe I won't link those down below, and when I do make a different video, I'll then link them down below. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching once again. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to check out all the links to these products down below. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.